Hi students, how are you? I hope you're doing well. Today we will review extreme weather. Do you remember when we talked about extreme weather? I bet you do. But before we begin, let's review the vocabulary words. You are going to repeat after me. Hurricane, tornado, snowstorm, flood, hailstorm, Hurricane I, natural disaster, destruction. With that being said, do you remember what a hurricane is? A hurricane is a storm with very violent wind that can cause a lot of destruction. Hurricanes are scary, and you must know what to do before, during, and after a hurricane hits. Let's review what we must do before, during, and after a hurricane. Before a hurricane, you must prepare a safety kit. Prepare an evacuation plan. Listen to the news. During an earthquake, you must unplug electrical devices. Stay inside your house. After the hurricane, you must listen to the news report for instructions. Okay, students, that is all for now. I will see you soon. Goodbye.